that bad parenting causes autism? Do we have data that, okay, orphanage had 90% or 100% autism? It's not an infection. Autism can happen to a beggar's kid, and once you know your child has autism, the worst parenting then is a parenting that is happening without the knowledge of autism. Hello there, Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. Today's topic: does bad parenting cause autism? Ladies and gentlemen, autism happens at the stage of inception. When the sperm and the ovum meet, the zygote is formed, the baby is being made. At that stage, autism happens. Why it happens, what happens at a genetic molecular level, really we don't know. We have no idea. After $4 billion of research, 40 plus years gone, relentlessly scientists trying to figure out what happens, we still don't have one clue of what happens. If your child has autism, it is not something that will disappear. That's one thing which you need to know. It is not something which happened because of any outside agency. It happened when you got pregnant. That's it. That is pretty much it. And because you took an MMR vaccine, or you used to eat a lot of pizza, or you used to fight a lot with your husband, has absolutely nothing to do with it. The very logic that bad parenting causes autism, I would want to bring to your notice certain facts. The ISIS infested areas, the organizations where they capture women and make them slaves, and out of that slavery, the children that are born, or victims, or area where trafficking happens, and children who are born out of that kind of an extreme stress level. I mean, I cannot describe in words the kind of life these people have, or the kind of stress, and it's so unfortunate that happens on earth, but it does happen. By the very definition, then, every kid being born out of an unfortunate place like this must, by all means, have autism, isn't it? Because look at the stress, and look at the bad parenting that will happen. Who's going to take care of the kid? Who's going to nurture the kid? Even little children are being abused in such places. Yeah, and they have to do all chores, and they have to do everything. But is it true? Is it in data that every single child over there is having autism? Is it data? I know you know the answer. It is no. Yeah, victims that essentially, if it's a it's autism, the child will have autism if a child is born. Is it like that? The answer is no. So then how do we say that stress or bad parenting, and then later on, so bad parenting, not all orphanages are bad, but the orphanages where people leave the kid and run away, and those which are not good places, then as child grows they should develop autism, no, because they are going through. Then do we have data that, okay, orphanage had 90% or 100% autism? It's not an infection. Autism can happen to a beggar's kid, and an Arab sheikh's kid whose bathroom commode is also of gold and car is also of gold. God is not concerned whether you are in a tent or you are in a penthouse. Whatever it is, he is no business. Autism happens all across. It can happen to a kid in North Korea, and it can happen to a kid in Russia, and it can happen to a kid in Zambia and India. We have no clear dimensions or statistics why it happens. Yeah? And the country which is the happiest, yeah, according to the details, where parenting is good, where stress is less, Bhutan, autism happens there also. And countries and ISIs, autism happens there also. Even in slavery, some children will be born like that. I don't know what they will do to those kids, my God. But it happens everywhere. Now the point is, if you fought with your husband, if you shouted off the kid, if you were too busy with your work and you left the kid in front of the TV, this is the problem that comes up more often than not. That in Corona, what could we do? The only way forward was TV. Now my humble suggestion here or submission here is, if you have twins and both the kids were in front of the TV because they were born in Corona time, and one kid has autism and the other doesn't, how do you explain that? So the TV landed up causing autism to one kid, but TV decided this kid has a sharper nose and I like this kid, so let me not do autism to this kid. Really, does it work that way? So, bad parenting does not cause autism. However, what it does is it aggravates the situation. It takes it to a point of no return of too much harm. The child begins to harm self, the child begins to harm others because intervention hasn't happened for whatever reasons. Bad parenting, I would say, is lack of intervention. That is bad parenting, according to me. Nothing else. Every household fights. You fight, I fight. I have not known, or maybe you marry an AI robot is different. Otherwise, you're going to fight. Human beings fight. Yeah. And you create stress. And sometimes, no matter how much I do, I still my children will come back and say, "Oh, you were so bad that time." Yeah. And probably there are places where I'm really bad also. All I can do is say sorry and improve myself and get back to the journey. But that does not mean that my Jay has autism because I did bad parenting and Veer doesn't have autism because I did good parenting with him. No, it's the same parent. So, once you know your child has autism, the worst parenting then is a parenting that is happening without the knowledge of autism. That requires a lot of dedication, commitment, sticking to the task, doing what you have to do, even if you're scared, keeping away, creating worksheets, putting boundaries, taking chances, requesting people, isko bhi bula lo, isko bhi khila lo, make my kid play with you. All of those things, first you learn, then you implement, then you be at the task until your child reaches a logical conclusion, which might take you a decade or two, depending upon the level of severity of the condition. So, ladies and gentlemen, bad parenting does not cause autism, but bad parenting can definitely aggravate or create massive difficulties with autism and take it to a downward spiral. So, if you're a parent who's really concerned that I want to give my child the best parenting now that autism is diagnosed and detected, I'm accepting with grace. Come on in, join us for our various programs, the Tuesday Live, the Masterclass, the other annual programs, the books, the material, everything you will get in the description box below, because how you're going to take the journey forward will decide the future of your child. I will meet you another time with another video.